हेलो एवरीवन, आज हमारा सेकंड पार्ट है जिसमें हम 12th क्लास के क्वेश्चंस करेंगे। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज गिवन दैट कोट इनवर्स ट्वाइस ऑफ कोस ट्वाइस ऑफ साइन इनवर्स 1/2। वी नो दैट साइन ऑफ π/6 is equals to 1/2. Then π/6 will be that number transfer in this side, that is sine inverse. I put this value is there. Then cot inverse twice of cos 2 of π/6. Then this number will be cancelled 3. Then cot inverse of twice of cos π/3. What is the value of π/3? Then so cos π/3 is equals to 1/2. Then cot inverse of 2 into 1/2, that 2 are cancelled. Then cot inverse of 1. We know that cot of π/4 is equals to 1. Then π/4 is equals to cot inverse 1. Then this value will be π/4. Then the answer of cot inverse twice of cos twice of sine inverse 1/2 is equals to π/4. Okay, and second question, first part is answer. Second is find the domain and range of fx sin inverse 3x minus 4. Okay, ये क्वेश्चंस करते हैं. Okay, the question is given that find the domain and range of fx equals to sin inverse 3x minus 4. Okay, we know that domain of sin inverse z is, then z belongs to -1 to 1. Okay, then 3x -4 will be -1 to +1. Both side I will add for 4, and 3x, that will be, there are 3, and that is 3x and 5. Next I will divide for 3, and there are 1 and x, 5 divided by 3. Okay, then domain of x belong to 1 to 5/3. Okay, and since and sine inverse of -1 to sine inverse 1, then replies that where is this value, that is value -π/2, and this value will be π/2. Then range is f of x is belong to -π/2. Okay, basically that is the domain function a to b, and suppose that these values are range. Okay, they are connect with, then this is the domain and this is the range. Then this question will completed is okay. Now move the next question. Okay, the question is given that find the particular solution of the differential equations. Differential equation given is d of y equals to e of 4x negative 3y positive 5. At y is equals to 0, then at x equals to 0. Okay, firstly I solve this equation for x negative, that is 5. Okay, then separate for y part in this side, this is, and e to power 4x into e to power 5x of dx. Okay, now integrate both side. Okay, now integrate both side, it means dy by e to power negative 3y of e to power negative 4x into e to power 5 of dx. Then e to power negative 3y integration is 1 divided by y and 3y, same as it is 1 divided 4, and e to power 4x and e to power 5x is constant, and plus c. It means e to power 3y divided by 3 and e to power 4x plus 5 divided by 4, because base are same. Let's see. Given that the condition y is equals to 0 and at x is equals to 0, then I apply for there into e to power 3 of 0 is equals to e to power 4 of 0 plus 5 divided by 4 plus c. We know that the power of 0 is equals to 1, then 1 by 3 is equals to e to power 5 divide 4 plus c, then c is equals to 1 by c, 1 by 1 divide 3 negative 1 by 4 e to power 5. I give the equation first, put in equation first, then the value is 1 divided by 3 e to power 3y is equals to 1 divided 4 e to power 4x plus 5 plus 1 by c negative 1 by 4. This value apply there, and that you get to the power 5. This is the final solution of this equation. Okay, I hope you are understand this answer. Okay student, this is the next question. The surface area of a spherical balloon when air is blown into increasing at rate of 5 meter square per second. When the radius of the balloon is 8 mm, find the rate at which the volume of balloon is increasing. Okay, then we know that the balloon is spherical. A spherical balloon, it means the surface area is 4 pi r square and volume is 4 divided by pi r cube. And given that increased rate the area, the spherical area rate of 5, it means given that dA by dt is equals to, okay, and okay, I give the equation first, second and third. Differentiate equation first with respect to time. Okay, with respect to time, then dA do dt for pi r square, it means 4 pi r constant, and this will be 2 r into dr by dt, and we know that the value of this is 5, then 5 is equals to 8 pi, and given question r value is 8, then there will be dr upon dt. Okay, now dr of divided by dt is equals to 5 divided by 64 pi. Now same as it is, I differentiate for equation second, then dv over dt is equals to 4 pi r square dr dt. Okay, now we know that dv over dt is equals to 4 pi into 8 into 8 means that is 64, and dr divided by dt is equals to 5 upon 64 5. It means 64 to 64 cancel, pi to pi cancel, then d over dt is equals to 20. Okay, 20 m per second. Okay, that is the volume. Then rate of volume is increasing 20 per second. Okay, I hope you are understand this question solution. This is the next question. In your matrix, given that matrix A is equals to 9, 6, 2 and 5, and the sum of the symmetric matrix and skew matrix. Firstly, I find for A transpose. What is A transpose? This is 2 by 2 matrix. It means the diagonals are same, but this R will be changed. This is the direct method for we find the transpose. Okay, now we know that the symmetric is S is equals to 1 divided by 2 A plus A का transpose, and let's K is equals to 1 divided by 2 A minus A का transpose. Firstly, we find the A positive A का transpose. Okay, it means what will be the A? A will be 9, 6, 2 and 5. I will be add for 9, 2, 6, 5. Okay, then that is 9 plus 9 and 6 plus 2, 2 plus 6 and 5 plus 5. Then A of A का ट्रांसपोज ऐड करते हैं हम, तो हमारे पास आता है दैट्स नंबर. Okay, then we know S is equals to 1 by 2 A plus A का transpose, then 1 divide 2 18 8 8 और 10, then S is equals to 9 4 4 and 5. This is the symmetric. Now we find the skew matrix. It means A of negative A transpose, that is say 9 6 2 and 5 will be negative 9 2 6 and 5. Then A negative A का transpose is equals to 9 negative 9, that is 0, 6 negative 2, that will be 4, 2 negative 6, that will be negative 4, and this will be 0. Then k is equals to 1 divided to a minus a ka transpose is equals to 1 divided to 0, 4 minus 2 and 0. Then k will be 0 to negative to 0. Okay, and the question is given that the sum of these numbers means this and this, the sum is s plus k. Then s value will be 9, 4, 4, 5, and k will be 0, 2, minus 2 and 0. Then this will be 9 plus 0, 4 plus 9, 4 minus 2 and 5 plus 0. Then sum is, that is 9, 9, 2 and 5. That is the your final answer. Okay, I hope you are understand this question solution. Next question is given that for this question is given that for LPP problems, Z maximum is equals to 7x plus 8y, and first condition given that x plus 2y is less than 8 and x 6 and y 2 and x and y is greater than 0. Okay, firstly make for the graph, then we find the points. X and y. Suppose that I put value of x equals to 0, then y will be 4 and x will be 2, then y will be 3 and x will be 4, then y will be 0. Okay, we know that the put are where, then 2y is less than 2, then 2y is 4, then y is 2, means the y is equals x equals to 4, then y equals to 2. This is the given values of this. Now make the graph. Okay, that is x-axis, that is y-axis. It means that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and there will be negative. Okay, and this is y, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This will be negative. Okay, the point first is given 0 and 4. It means first coordinate is x and y will be 0, that is 0 and 4. Second is given 2 and 3. The point is there 2 and 3. Next is 4 and 2. That is given 4 and 2. Okay, then that is the line. This is the line. Okay, this is the line. Next Next condition is given that x is less than 6, means where is the x? 6, there is the 6, then this line will be okay. Then this is line. Okay, x is equals to 6 and y is 2, and where is y2? And y2 is, just 1 second, then y is 2 means this line. Okay, and this is given that you put here 0 and 0, this will be satisfied equation. It means the region is this. Okay, next put here 0 is satisfied 6, means this region will be this, 0 will be included. Okay, then this region. And next you put here 0 is less than 2, that is true, it means this region. Okay, then which region is common? Then this region is will be common. Okay, this region, just 1 second, I change for another pen. This region will be common in all condition, and points are included. There is, the points are included is 0 0 and this point also included, and 6 0, and this point we will be find this line and this line, then this point will be 4 and 2, and next point will be, this is 0 2, then 0 2. Okay, those points are included in this. Then I mark for this point this, this, this and this. Okay, okay, then these points are common in this graph. Then we find the maximum problem. Then maximum of z is equals to 7 7x plus 8y. Then firstly 0 0 is equals to 7 into 0 plus 7 into 0, that will be 0. Next 6 1 will be 6 into 7 into 6 plus 8 into 1, and then answer will be 42 plus 8 is equals to 50. Same as it is, we will put value of 2, it means 7 into 4 plus 8 into 2, 28 plus 12 will be 40, this will be 60, that is 44. Then the 6 of 0 is equals to 7 into 6 plus 8 into 0, that will be 42. Then maximum value of this, then maximum value of, then that maximum is equals to 7x plus 8y at 6 1. That is the answer of this LPP problem. Okay, question 27 is given that find the integration of this. It means that is given 3x negative 4 and x square minus 1 and x minus 2 of dx respect. Then 3x negative 4 divide, I can be write for a square minus b square, that is a plus b and a minus b. Then this is x plus 1 and x minus 1, and that is x minus 2 of dx. Okay, this is the given of fraction. Then fraction into partial form, then that is 3x negative 4 or x minus 1, x plus 1 and x minus 2. I can be write for a divide x minus 1 plus b divide by x plus 1 and c divide x minus 2. Okay, we can solve. Then 3x of minus 4 will be a x plus 1 and x minus 2, and b will be x minus 1 and x plus 2, and c will be x minus 1 and x plus 1. Okay, now we find the value of a and b and c. This is the, suppose that I have x is equals to 1. Suppose x equals to 1. When x equals to 1, then I put here, then b will be 0 and c will be 0. Okay, then 3 of negative 4 will be a is equals to 1 plus 1 and 1 minus 2, and these are zeros. That negative 4 negative 1, 3 minus 4 will be 2a, but this is negative 1. Then I write for this 2 into minus 1, then minus 1 is equals to negative of 2a, then cancel, then a will be 1 divided by 2. Same as it is, suppose that x is equals to negative 1, then this number and this will be 0. Then you can solve, and that b will be negative 7 by 6, because this is 1, negative 1, that is negative 7, and there are 6. Okay, then same as it is, let's x is equals to, now we find the value of c, then x is equals to, suppose that is 2, then c will be 2 divided by 3. Okay, put in value, this value put in this equation and solve the, then c is equals to 2 by 3. Okay, then a, b and c put in equation first. Okay, now put in equation first, then a divided by x negative 1 and b divided by x plus 1, and c means a is equals to 1 by 2. That's mean integration of 1 by 2 x minus 1 plus integration of minus b value is 7 by 6 and x plus 1 with respect to dx, and c will be 2 divided by 3 of x plus 2 or dx. Then the integration of this is 1 divided to ln x minus 1 negative 7 divided by 6 ln x plus 1 and 2 divided by 3 ln x plus 2 and plus c. Okay, this is the integration of given question. What is given? The given is 3x minus negative 4 x square negative 1 x square negative 1 x minus 2. The answer will be this. Okay, the answer is this. I hope you are understand. Let's move the next question. Next question, given that the integration of this number